Quranic Eschatology from the 9th of the 7th month of 1446. Religion and judgment are as one and the same. Precise results are from which we only have ourselves to blame. Opinions of what is to happen is no game. Literal and figurative forms combine for what remains. The finality of monstrous forces cares not for your fame. Hellfire and a transcendent garden sensibly await the fierce and tame. Directions are undertaken with a corporeal and mental vehicles, exacting punishment and mercy beyond the exacting, seal our company as souls.